So the name of the chapter was Parts of Computer. We were discussing this chapter in the last week also. It's chapter number 3 for class 1. So everybody open the page number 27. Okay. So on the page number 27, the first line is the system unit has a CD-ROM. A system unit has a CD-ROM drive. A system unit has a CD-ROM drive. Okay, that my first question is, can computer work without system unit? Can computer work without system unit?
ايوه صح عنده سي دي روم
Can you
درايف.
please
No.
answer?
No.
No, computer cannot work. Can computer work without CPU or without system unit?
No.
Share, what is it?
No,
No.
computer cannot work with the system unit. Okay, so
System unit.
we see
System
the,
unit.
everybody know what is monitor?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So system unit has a CD-ROM drive. System unit has a CD-ROM drive. Where is the CD-ROM drive in system unit? Let me show you a picture. The system unit has a CD-ROM drive. So this is the picture of a CD-ROM drive. If you see, there is a tray coming outside. There is a tray. It's a tray coming outside from the system unit. From the system unit. It is a system unit. Can computer work without it? No. Computer need it. Okay. So this is a tray. This is a tray. How this tray come out? How this tray come out from the system unit? There is a button. There is a small button at the system unit. There is a small button. Okay. When you press that small button, this tray will come out. How this tray come out from the system unit? When you press the small button. There are some big buttons and and one small button. So you have to press the small button of the CD-ROM and the tray comes out. How tray come out? You should have to press the small button of system unit. So we have to press the big button or the small button. We have to press the small button. Then what happen when you press the small button? This tray will come out. The CD-ROM tray will come out. What happen when we press the small button? What happen when we press the small button? The tray of CD-ROM or the tray comes out. Tray comes out from the system unit. So what happen when we press the small button? What happen when we press the small button? Everybody should answer. Yes.
Yes.
What happen when we press the small button?
Power button.
Okay.
Power button. Power button.
Okay. So everybody is listening me. Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Everybody see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. 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 So what happen when you press the small button? The tray comes out. What happen when you press the small button? The tray comes out. Okay. So it's a tray. Comes out from system unit. So what happen when you press the small button? The tray comes out. What happen when you press the small button of the system unit? The tray comes out from system unit. This is a tray. This is a tray. This one is a tray. When you press it, it will come out from the system unit. When you press the small button, there is a small button. So see, when you press the small button, this tray will come out. This tray is will come out. Everybody understand this thing? What happened when we press the small button? The tray come out from the system unit. Okay. What happened When we press the small button, everybody would answer. What happened when we press the small button? What hap-
A tray come out.
Good.
Tray
A tray
come
comes
out.
out from
Five,
system unit. Very
two,
good.
four,
Okay. So now, okay. So what happened when you press the small button? The tray comes out from system unit. What happened when you press the small button? Where is the small button? Here it is. When you press this small button, what happened? The tray comes out from system unit. So where is the tray? This is a tray. This one is a tray. This one is a tray which comes out. This is also the tray. It comes out when you press the small button of the system unit. When you press the button, it will come out. Everybody understand this thing? Everybody understand this thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me, okay. So we are discussing that the system unit has a CD-ROM drive. So what does this tray do? When we press the small button, the tray comes out. When we press the small button, the tray comes out. But what does that tray do? What does that thing do? Or what we can do with it? Okay, so let's see. Before moving towards the use of that thing, this is a bigger picture of that CD-ROM drive. When you press the small button, this is a small button. When you press it, then this is a tray. This is a tray and it comes out. It comes out and there is a light. When you press that button, the light will start blink. The light become on and this tray will come out. This tray will come out. Everybody understand how tray will come out? Everybody understand this thing? When you press the small button, the tray will come
Yes.
out. This is a small
Yes,
button.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So I add these pictures for you so that it will be easy for you to understand the picture. So CD-ROM is also available. CD-ROM drive is also available in the laptops. They are available in the big computers and also available in the laptops. The big computers are the desktop computers, but laptops are the small computers, but they also have the CD-ROM drive. See, there's a tray. There's a tray outside. How that tray comes out? When you press the small button. There is also the small button available to that tray, that CD-ROM. When you press it, it will come out. When you press the small button of the system unit, or when you press this small button, what will happen? The tray will come out from the system unit. Okay. Then what we have after this, when the tray comes out, what will happen? When the tray comes out, what will happen? Then we can put CDs in the CD-ROM drive. We can put the CDs. Okay. So what does CD is? CD is look like this white color disc. This is a circle shaped disc. The circle shaped disc is a CD. This circle shape is a CD. It's a CD. Okay. So everybody see the CD. Everybody see the CD. Here is the picture of
Yes.
the CD.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
CD. Okay. So CDs are available
Yes, sir.
everywhere. They are most common. They are most common and everybody know about it. Okay. What is mean by common? For example, if I ask you what is car? Did you see the car? Everybody will say yes because cars are very common. Everybody see them. Everybody knows about them. In the same way, CD or the CDs. One single CD is a CD. So many CD are called CDs. So everybody knows about the CDs, and that we can put CDs in the CD-ROM drive. So CD is a separate thing. CD is a separate thing. When we press the small button, the tray comes out. And when the tray comes out, we have to put the CD on it. We have to put the CD on it. We have to put the CD on it. Okay. So everybody understand the second step? Everybody understand the second step? That what we are doing with the tray? We are putting the
Yes.
on that tray.
Yes,
We are
sir.
putting the CD.
Yes.
This comes
Everybody
out.
understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Small
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So we see that the first thing is we have to press the small button. Okay, when we press the small button, the dash will come out. The tray will come out from the system unit. Okay. Now, when the tray comes out, what do we have to do? The second thing is we have to put the CD on that tray. We have to put the CD on that tray. Okay. So we are done with two steps. We can put CD in the CD-ROM drive. So this is a tray. When we put the CD on that tray and again press this button, now this time that button, this tray will go inside. First we press the button, the tray will come outside. But when we press again this button, the tray will go inside with the CD. So in this way, we put the CD in the CD-ROM drive. CD-ROM drive will run the CD. CD-ROM drive will run the CD. So when we first press the small button, the tray comes out. And when the tray comes out, we put the CD on it. And when we put the CD on it, we press the small button again, and tray goes inside the system unit. Tray goes inside the system unit with the CD. So in that way, we can put CD in the CD-ROM drive. It's just a three-step process. It's just a three-step process. So in the three step, we perform our process. Okay, what are the three steps? Let's see them one by one. Okay, so the first step is we have to press the small button. Okay, so when we press this small button, the tray will come out, and the first step is done. The second step is we have to put the CD on that tray. The second step is done. The third step is we have to press this small button again, and this time this tray will go inside. In this way, we can put CD in the CD-ROM drive. So where that CD-ROM drive is, that this CD-ROM drive is in the system unit. If I ask you CD-ROM drive is in the monitor, no, it's false. If I say CD-ROM drive is in the mouse, no. Did you see that tray in the mouse? No, it's in the CPU. If I say that CD-ROM drive is in the keyboard, no, it's not in the keyboard. It's in the system unit. So CD-ROM drive is in the system unit. Okay, if I say the CD-ROM drive is in the mouse, the CD-ROM drive is in the mouse, it is true or false?
False.
It's false. Very good. Okay.
False.
If I say CD-ROM drive, this tray or this CD-ROM drive is in the keyboard. This CD-ROM drive is in the keyboard. It's true or false?
False.
Okay, it's false.
False.
It's false.
False.
Very
False.
good. It's false. It's false.
False.
Always in the system unit. Very good. You all are right. It's false. It's always in the system unit. It's always in the system unit. Okay. CD-ROM drive is always in the system unit. Okay. So, everybody understand this thing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay. So now we are going forward. Okay. Now we understand one thing that we press the small button, the tray will come out, then put the CD on it, and then press the button again, it will go inside. But what does CD do? What does CD do? Or why we use CD? Okay, so with the help of CD, we can listen to music on CDs. If you bring the musical CD, if you bring the CD of songs, so you can listen the music from CD. So we can listen music on CD. CD can store the songs. It is used to save the songs. So we can listen music on CDs. For example, we go to market and purchase some songs in the form of CD, and when we come home, we put the CD in the system unit, and when we put it, then we listen the songs on the computer. So we can listen to music on CDs. We can listen to music on CDs. Okay. So everybody understand this thing that with the help of CD, or we can listen music on CDs. Understand? Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Very
Yes.
good. We can listen
Yes.
to music on
Yes.
CDs. We
Yes.
can listen to
Yes.
music on CDs. Okay. So let's move to the next one. So we got the first thing, first use of a CD. So we got a first use of CD. Why we use CD? We can listen to music on CDs. Let's see the other use of CDs. Okay. We can watch films. We can watch films on CDs. We can watch films. Okay. So everybody watch movies, films, cartoons. We can watch films, movies, cartoons on CD. So CD is look like this. You can put it. See, the CD is always in the form of circle. The CD is always in the form of circle. If someone say the shape of CD is a square, then it's false. If someone say the shape of CD is like this, then it's false. If someone say the shape of CD is look like this, it's false. The shape of CD is look like the circle, it's true. It's look like the circle. See, I made the circle here. So the shape of the CD is circle. It's always circle. And if someone say that the shape of the CD is like this one, so it's false. Okay. So this is a square. If someone say the shape of the CD is look like a square, then it's false. Okay. Remember, the shape of CD is circle. We know it. And there is a hole in between the CD. There is a hole in between the CD. So there are two things we see about the CD. What is the shape of the CD? It's a circle. The shape of the CD is circle, and there is a hole in the middle of CD. There is a hole in the middle of CD. So we understand or get to know two facts about the CD. So why we use CD? We can listen music on CD, and we can also we can also watch films, movies, dramas, cartoons on CDs. So we can watch different things. We can watch different things on CDs. So everybody understand this thing?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So as we see, we use CD to listen music. Okay. We can use CD to watch movies, watch cartoons, watch dramas, and watch films. So everything is available on the CD and we can watch them. Okay. So now moving towards the next one. We can even play games on CD. So I made the picture of some of the games. Okay, I took this picture on the internet. So you see, these are the some basic CDs. These are the CDs available. There are thousands. There are thousands of CDs available for the games. You can play game through the CD. You can play game on the CD. So, there are so many types of games, the fighting game, the racing games. So many types of games are available. You can play the game, the ball game, the racing game, all games are there. So, you can play these games with the help of CD also. Okay, so we see the first use. We see the first use. The first use is we can listen to music on CDs. We can listen to music on CDs. Okay, we can listen to music on CDs. This is the first use. Okay, let's write it here. Let's write it at this side. Okay, so we can the first use of CD. Why we use CD? So we are writing, we are seeing, we are viewing, we are understanding the use of CD. So listen music. Listen music. Then what is the second use of the CD? The second use of the CD is we can watch films on CD. We can watch films. We can watch films on CD. So we can watch what? Only films? No. We can watch movies. We can watch films. We can watch cartoon. So we can watch so many things. Okay. So this is the second point. And then the third one. The third one is very much easy. What is the third one? What was the third one? Can anyone tell me?
Play game.
Games. Very good. Very nice.
Play
Very nice.
game.
Play
Sir, look
games.
at
Very
this.
good.
It says
Ahmad Al Hanan
easy.
and Hamza.
Sir,
Ahmad Al Hanan
there
and
it
Hamza
says
correct
easy.
answer at the first. Very good to
Sir,
all of
I
you.
have CD.
Very good. Yes, you can play games on CD. All right. You are right. You can play games. Very good. So these are the some uses of CD. These are the some uses of CD. Okay. Let me. Okay. So the uses of CD. Why we use CD? To listen music, watch movies, films, or cartoon, or play games. So that's why we use CD. Okay, if I ask you that I have a CD, how you can put that CD in the system unit? How you put the CD in the system unit? Okay, let me ask. Yes, Ahmad Mohammed, can you tell me how you can put the CD in the system unit?
I can put it. I I
How?
I I I I have I have Xbox and I have a CD. It's I just press the button and it's open.
Good.
I put the CD on it and I cross the button again.
Very good. Super. Fantastic.
I have a
Very good.
CD. I
Very
have a
good,
CD.
Ahmad Mohammed.
I have a CD and Xbox. Here it is.
Okay,
It's the
that's
CD
great. That's
inside.
great. Excellent, Ahmad Mohammed. You explained it very well. Okay. Ahmad Mohammed explained it very well. Okay, so let's see who else we have. Who's going to explain now? Okay, Abdul Rahman Atif. Can you explain? Can you say how you
Yes,
put the CD?
sir.
Yes, please. Abdul Rahman Atif, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how you put the CD in the CD-ROM?
I have a CD and you are give me and I open the
You can open the CD-ROM
CD-ROM driver
by press by
and
pressing button.
I op and I open the button and the system unit opened for me
Okay,
the CD-ROM
good,
driver and I put it and
good.
I close it and
Press the button again. Okay,
and
let
press
me
the
let me show you.
button
Good,
again.
good. Okay, that's right, Abdul Rahman. That's good. Okay, so let me. So what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to just press a small button. We just have to press a small button. Okay, how we can put? Let me make it small. How we can put the CD? We just have to press the small button. When we press the small button, the tray will come out, and then we just have to put CD on tray. Put CD on tray, press a small button again, and that's it. So, in this way, we can put the CD in the CD-ROM. That's it. See how much easy it is. Press the small button, put CD on tray, press a small button again. When you press the small button, what will happen? The tray will come out. And when the tray come out, you have to put the CD on tray. And when you put the CD on tray, then you have to press the small button again. Then the tray will go inside. The tray will go inside the system unit. The tray will go inside the system unit. Okay. So everybody understand this thing? Everybody understand this thing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So that's great. That's nice. That's very good. Okay. So what is the use of CD? Okay, what is the use of CD? Hamza Al Sayyed, can you tell me any use of CD? Hamza Al Sayyed, can you tell me any use of CD? Any use
Yes,
of CD?
sir.
Only anyone?
Lesson using.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. Ali Abdullah, can you tell me any use of CD? Ali Abdullah?
Play games.
Ah, very good. Very nice. Okay. So, very nice. Yes, Abdul Rauf. Abdul Rauf, can you tell me any use of CD?
Watch cartoon.
Yes, watch. Can you repeat your answer, please?
Watch cartoon.
Watch cartoons. Yes, good. Very good. Gamal. Gamal, can you tell me how to put the CD in the computer? How to put the CD in the computer? Can you tell me? Gamal? Okay. So, so we have four Hamza in our class. Okay. Hamza Al Hussaini. Hamza Al Hussaini, you are not raising hand. Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
how to put
Yes,
the CD?
sir.
How to put the CD in the CD-ROM drive? How to put it? Can you tell me?
And press on the button.
Good. Then
We
put
put
CD
the CD
on tray.
on tray.
Good. And then press small button.
To
Press small button. Say with me. Press small button.
Oh,
must press a button.
Small button
Small button.
again.
Small button.
Again. No, say the
Small
word.
button.
Press a small button again. See, first we
Press
have to do what? Okay. So first we have to press the small button. Where is the small button? The small button is at there. Here it is. Okay. So when you press it, the tray will come out. And when the tray comes out, it will, you put the CD and then you have to press the small button again. Okay. So everybody, along with it, we can see the some use of CD. And now everybody open the assignment from the class.